Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with Better Homes and Gardens, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your account with Better Homes and Gardens, start by visiting their website. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in link to go to the login page. Once on the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Type your email address carefully and ensure it's correct. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your inbox for an email from Better Homes and Gardens. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password, making sure it meets the security requirements. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once both fields are filled, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been reset successfully. Now, return to the sign-in page. Enter your email address and the new password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, revisit the password reset steps or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.